How to add a line in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in to your Adobe account. Click on All Tools from the top menu. Scroll down and click Edit PDF. Click Select your file and upload the PDF where you want to add the line. Since there is no direct option for adding a line, we will use the Crossout tool as a workaround. Click on the Add Comments tool from the toolbar, then select the Crossout tool from the side toolbar. Click and drag across the PDF where you want the line. This will create a line in your PDF. You can adjust the color of the line and increase the size to fit your needs. Click on the line and use the toolbar options to modify it. And that's how you add a line in Adobe Acrobat. If this helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.